12 noon on Saturday in Sydney. This is Fergus Nicholl, the BBC's Business Matters. Today, Joe Biden shares his plans for an intensified vaccine rollout.
You had my word. We will manage the hell out of this operation.
Even as India starts its nationwide vaccination campaign this morning.
We are well prepared for it. We will all be able to deliver a great beginning to a great program.
Also in the program today, racism in America's farm sector.
They know they're getting less for their crops than their white neighbor down the street. They know that.
But in better farming news, gene technology gives wheat farmers around the world a weapon against rust. We'll hear from the University of Minnesota. Welcome to Agriculture Matters. We'll start with the news. I'm Stuart McIntosh with the BBC News. Hello. Joe Biden has given details of his plan to sharply increase the number of Americans being immunized against COVID-19 in the face of a sustained surge in cases and deaths. The US President-elect, who takes office on Wednesday, said the priority was to inoculate everyone over the age of 65. He said that providing poorer communities access to inoculation was at the heart of his plan.
Equity is central to our COVID response. And the Vice President and I commit to making sure communities of color and rural neighborhoods, those living with disabilities and seniors, are not left behind in our vaccination plans.
More details from our North America correspondent, Peter Bowes.
It is an ambitious plan, really, to ramp up access to the coronavirus vaccine around the country. 100 million shots in his first 100 days. He says he's going to set up 100 mass vaccination centres around the country. And on top of that, he says there'll be mobile units that go into communities that are otherwise difficult to access. And some of those places are where some of the poorest of Americans are living. And those are the communities that have been disproportionately affected by coronavirus.
The Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro has voiced regret over the health emergency in the northern city of Manaus, where hospitals have been overwhelmed by the pandemic. But he said his government had provided all the support required by local authorities. Mr. Bolsonaro said there was nothing else he could do about a record number of deaths in the state of Amazonas. Countries in Europe have reacted angrily to a warning by the drug company Pfizer that it will reduce the number of coronavirus vaccines it delivers from next week. Pfizer says that modifications to its plant in Belgium will lead to a temporary drop in shipments, but will boost capacity in the longer term. 6 European Union states have complained to the European Commission, expressing severe concern about the development. Philippe Devaux, a doctor from the Belgian city of Liège, told the BBC the delay was unfair.
I don't understand why some countries have to have a huge delay. They are talking about 50% less vaccines during 4 weeks, and other countries won't have any delay. So it's not equitable. I don't know why the country that will have delay have done to be punished by Pfizer.
The Speaker of the U.S. House of Representatives, Nancy Pelosi, has asked a respected retired Army general to investigate the security failings which allowed rioting Donald Trump supporters to storm the Capitol building last week. General Russell Honore will conduct an urgent review. Federal officials say more than 270 suspects have been identified in connection with the attack on Congress. World News from the BBC. The most influential gun rights group in the US, the National Rifle Association, has filed for bankruptcy protection. The organization said it had made the decision to escape what it called the toxic political atmosphere in New York, where it's registered. It plans to relocate to Texas. Prosecutors in Brazil have recommended criminal charges over a fire that killed 10 youth players from the country's most successful football team, Flamengo, in 2019. The boys aged between 14 and 16 died when the converted shipping containers where they lived caught fire in the middle of the night. A fault in the air conditioning system was blamed. Prosecutors in Rio de Janeiro have accused Flamengo's former president and 10 other people of negligence. The Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador has accused the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration of fabricating evidence against the former Defense Minister Salvador Cienfuegos, who's been accused of collaborating with a powerful drug trafficking cartel. General Cienfuegos was arrested in Los Angeles in October and allowed to return home to face prosecution. But on Thursday, the Mexican Attorney General's office said they wouldn't pursue charges. Mr. López Obrador said the office had his support.
Es una decisión que
It is a decision that the prosecution makes for which the government I represent supports. That is to say, it endorses the decision because we maintain that impunity, certainly corruption, must end. But there can be no reprisals, no revenge, and crimes cannot be invented.
A Japanese mayor has angrily berated his office staff for a lackluster earthquake drill that he said exhibited no sense of emergency or tension. Michihiko Izumo from Naruto ordered the early exercise to be rerun. Video shows some staff half-heartedly trying to squeeze under their desks. BBC News.
Kappa jangan berada di mata kaca lagi nomor karbon ini jelma. Pada mana berkait dengan mela lagi cian mager gerge. Mengecal karo. Ciri gerge jap cian mager gerge nomor ni bak cigir. Kaca lain cino untar. Jangan ya all of customer running the price. But the price is coming inventory clearance sale on. Channel running na channel na running channel mano jangan na channel rong running to our na Kogan household yung kitchenware kan rong bajen luggage yung backpack kan rong bajen school obi supply kan rong bajen yung merik data mencibir data hario yung DVD kan rong 1%. Lo kan mejan mana ilo ta college mejan agak mano mejan mereka bukan ini DVD. Orang oleh kan perjar baru ini price banyak angkat kabur ni DVD. So ini orang jumbo agak si baju lali. Ini orang kau jar mi jawab. Cakap ni baju orang kau tak. Lalu cuci ramah komen. Kapal kecilan cuci kanan. Education 40 second nanti jalan CRS foto jom tunggu cuci. Kan mula tak kamu lagi cemero jalan kan cuci mana kawan. Yoro kacau cuci main ciri kenar. Begini naman nga kacau jor ko lagroan nati jalay wan hay nagkain ni mawala bar mi majal ko nati jalay na rodok when kamane charbali na ko lakuan ilo 42nd constitutional regular session rodo yung tongol ilo ran in 1G chano ron rodo yung tongol chuan ilo chongol awa chipong ilo chamber wan nati jalay kabawala bar mi ri wan ni ko nati jalay imbraga chalay chibi ko ran ay nagkain arabo Kenneth Kedi. Rijo mugut raffle era postpone mandak jaga benica kaman rainin rani chere chongol chiri ran rodo ron chuan ilo tell park grand prize $1,000 first prize $4,000 kachima first prize is ruby tala second prize ruby tala kapa electada third prize is para nota ruby tala ilo chelok kali jorok Avijo grand prize $2,000. Dapat Estela Parna raini dengan nama Witness Cup. Nada live sharing ano ta andala. Ngakwe yotorionian. Awu jodum chok chonotar. What the much? Ngana narungan na kawagi, ngana winning grand prize na. Yawa $2,000. Aga marungan baru bitala, ngan prize chuan. Aga prize ro baru bitala, prize chilu baru bitala. Aga area penan. Ako marungan na be the lucky winner today. Konon ako chonota. Kuning marada. Kuning ma winnie prize gane. Ye ucho. All the radio station in 89.9 FM up to 98 AM. Yang jamong celebrate win. You know, come and try your best. Your best luck. Come on, chapo na. Ako chonota. Okay, kacita ko ini igananu ya chona tu. Ini jangan nagai. Kuar jebli ko nambayo. Ako dalangan dorong jich. Kacalan chona reng rakar bodongan jino manis kacalan aku kagem ya Allah mama papa. Guardian run public high school. Public high school was Chilu. You want to make your own with Marshall Islands High School, Laura High School, Life Skills Academy. I think it's a learning package go on a weekend level. A weekend level home. Don't it come on weekend? Come on, mama and papa. Come you go run Marshall Islands High School. You run with you charity. Right, charity. January chonchi di ran. Don't chon wrong on them now. Support team goes in that you and I bought. Right body all even packed in car one. And we will allow to go to Choilo, turn pop, and to go royal. I don't have it. One location on it, you know, I am Carbara little later. Here was Chichuyan drop zone. Drop zone again, and here a larger with the Chonjon on Chonran. Drop zone Chonjon, Jailo Pop, Jana Jacob, Morana and Jero, Narajaro location again, or naturally Ben. Chonjon and Jana Jacob, you my cherry conception. Chonro, Snooky, Pumla Glad, Chonchiru, Rikiano and Dibajaka, Beckham, Mandit. Chonchiru B is Susiana Mark, the Marty Mark. Chonro Kachime, Enir Morajan Burigan. Snooky Pomangot Chongola Chilu Paragon Rikiano and Dibajaka, Beckham Mandit. Chongo B is Dumpsite, Susiana Mark, and Marty Mark. Chongola Minute Chabari, the new SP. It's Jasmine Hicking a car wing canoe. Right on Chongo Charlie Donato. I don't know moment church now. Mancharan moment, Chongo B. Bill Garland, Mahosa, Logayo. Moment to a moment out, Chongo, you know, the Ricky, Porikim, Oliver Mal. Chongo Jimmy, moment around and Lanwi, Governor Lanwi. There was Branson, you know, Jim Branstero. Here, either in human jack adding, honorable jack adding, Torch, long on the late Captain Longwatch. When late Captain Longwatch. Drop zone chongo radu. Aram yoro na yoro drop zone na chojo yuma. Ini tala. Kia eliktada drop zone na eliktada chongo radu yon. Eligan mana Captain Langmoy the lock. Tolong na airport na Armando Nevado. Yim Tomochi Verdera. Kauchet malalo ba all of Rudigu Rich. I would all of safety protocol. Eno ta karang medical. Kanang medwa milo yeno kumagito yung bagay yakata ko milo drop zone ami kap katalok kajime katolok ron eno to chijino ne katolok dina rujuguro jo erwan rujuguro aba chon rujuguro so kwalo yijin lajar lolur jaga ba all of kata ko Lewachin Raguran and Dedo. H1. Ro, Konono Bendragio, Chilu, Kachit of Chibang and Bendragio, Nogodaguch, Emel, Karagalabian. When I'm a Karagum Comani assignment, Yarana years over. There, one mama in power, Rokachujo. Nganto di buru ni. Awe ero kwa. Lolo jaga ya muade. Anyen karo kwa na juri. ro kanono dan regali imri jara warano bijo ngay meni nay ko cilu ci da ngaji riyo yilo kaata kwan ngay jay you memen ko balo yilo ko la kwan na PT chain contingency planning yimlalim lolo jaga ami to ngano bijo na aga ngay riyo cha hetchen marwan page kaata ko kabar curang mama and papa kabro jugo ramora high school kacawai ne ci dengan korong aku pagilo na training rani chere January chongo ci dino ran yim chabat rani di January chongo ci nyon ran chulu na jo barkamane yin pick up yin drop lesson 1 lockdown week rule kabilo chere na chino distribution na ajal tabe tolok ni chamlo gilo ara tobagan awadu yin bilo rani chabat na di chino yin arak kacimwe araga leri tolok mera holi dan loran kapkebe mi jodo bagi loran ke ro jugo ro jai uje to jagi lo wado wire kan fodor yo ar wichon kapcho jo mi ka ta kwan to gagi ro imra jai guch kajimi lo an fodor chon imle alongan ro na bogot ka ta kwan wiro kawan mama baba ka jugo rang life skills academy lo wigi la jugo ro al class ngoro level emen dan ada ibu ini dengan vocational class war ino to ke all of kain charbal goro pedero ilo chulo ko projugo reno al class ngoro level emen bernacha goro chimatan hot ran kevin chimatan ran chige juli lo air yudok imawle ke go warga imre jar barroja ni on campus orna chai guja more safety measure and was social distancing ekarak mas di kudu kol be im karro jo wala ad kich marong raji di kabachana kachu jo ruju wero ni majid kachu de chibang an kachu jo mama impawa agro bagero en ruju ro perren chibang pa charbalin kar ko an ruju ro ren andreri al ko la jen han ran ko ko yimena kaman hawlet already kabalo projugo jay ko ngor awol safety measure ko emina chigo yo kada gen kom kagi nge kom na I which one my team and bag learning packer ko indi lo cherbal ko kam ngai nang chabro ka chido nambago ana chigo go ge layer ila ngana melolo ko mro labo rawam chel bon jana pen pe wa kalandana am yo chojum ba jiwa chuan ben binjo kapche gi ber mana ro bajle ro le daga nambaga marshall high school chino ro lale chilo ro wale Lora high school walem ro radi emma wale armyo nem life skills academy chino ro lale walem ro chuan parchonal marshall high school chino ro wale chilo ro walem Lora high school walem ro radi emma wale armyo emen life skills academy chino ro wale walem ro chuan dewa kudo ngana ole den mama babaro ka ole den rojuguro ibi chena talibin magduna ateme me chilo ayre ngara kwalo lo ka chalego chenalo lo me ekanak mas club call them protocol wa mi ngara jalaga mama babaro ni para chibang komen akada komen chibu imcharaman kacalai ne likta dai kacalai nganan mo da kamu na ni gan noru ma di noru kacalai ngana ole parent ran senior ole parent ran senior ilo rong masalah Christian high school ba ilo raini January chongo la chijino ran ro den rong ol chon eni wor chon are nga kwelo kilo bulga UCC man mangayo a chijino wa chode ni ngan ro rech ro da kacalai imbe da wa ole wor aro chiri kile kaya komar ko choji mutale maage kachalai na all parent ran senior na senior ro ne jilo ro pa jina wa chodi ni ini kamane kacha yer ko lego jina wa chodi ni mana all parent ran senior ilo ro Cover que chela china ubiya. Como lara. Jangan nomor rotongan matan kamu dengan radio B7AB lo. Dua orang raya dengan raya ini dengan kue. Dia yang buat cia teman yang mana dengan raya dua ini. Balik wajib cara. Yang mana cara kau mana nak kamu dengan dengan raya ini? Percuma ni cikan ada yang itu. Kau walau manturun raya dua kacau itu thone dengan ini na pona FM channel ini. Ayo.
tight. You are my life, the only woman that's right for my life. I can't ever vision myself away from you, girl, till I end up hanging on the corners with my love for real. The games I played as a player, didn't realize how those separate us could have damaged the love between us. I questioned myself if I love you, girl. You were still down for me when I was in the cell. Ain't no pain I got to reveal, cause ain't nothing to reveal but a love to be real, and you make stronger than still.
Oh
kamulan ni Cemro Jenang kenur nyim kana jembo begini naman kacalangan iro simle rojro albro chanadar yimmer malbro wududan ka badar darin ka chanalan kini lo rada ka aur malolat wajje ailuk yum udark kana jor chuanaru jenna bro majalogi ben karayo ajiro yimawle dogon ko kachu jang late former senator chora elective yo memang magchena nori ilo kargam baby on kabilo mi jinar wo jinat kaman lo chamber an tu yala elgino dilo mi jan kien ilo ran mandre chongora de gran rodo den rongo in january ilo chongoro right elong ne chala udam ni chojim ko ba do ilo yeni ne awr ngani no matar ilo magdinan chenori kamu dara umrga chala iro jala wala bagalang chaglet kacalangan ilomit ankian ngan Excellency President and Honorable Cabinet Minister, Honorable Chairman Royilo, Honorable Speaker and Vice Speaker, Honorable Member Ron Nadijala, Honorable Chief Justice, Member Ron Judiciary, Honorable Mayor Rokachojo, Public Service Commission, Chief Secretary, all of Department Heads, all of Rai Agency Wan Kin, all of Rajarawa Wan Kin, all of Ro, Brahmanan and Kobar. Kachalay na Ministry, Minister, Minister on Culture and Internal Affairs, Wonyo, Ejilomich. Kachalay na niyang karong ulit, na ang lajar ginilan. Abay na yung workshonan kien, yen ilomich alaw ipen karayo. Aligaw chirong roni jiro, yung ba family ko chimuran late, Honorable former Senator, Captain, Chora Ligtiban. Yenilo mijina rin at kamanilo ranin mada January chongora lagran ilo chongo na wachipong ilo chamber ewan nadijaw. Kajito ke penawalo projar waruan kien bayaran na church yin perilo chamber nadijaw ilo chongo na wachipong yin church yin magajan yin. Ami karaja yin kubado ilo yenilo mijina na chuan menin huwade boru. Ilo kawo jari kachalay na chin Minister ewan Culture and Internal Affairs, Honorable Jamie Najo.
bi matan John Menetoman ruaway lo dengan relevan rainin como comado pen bi sabene bila wain sabay getian matanin kiyo jalik sabay lo kanale bena roy pendron ilo dengan relevan jarere ay boyo yen lo kawakan leke ilo tara ini kaya jikaman ni karwani na to kum kachoyo jikara to bijen ngan ar pajagan ni kamani choniyen payaway na to ewa me pajagan kamani pen TCS saka Deputy Chief Secretary Abakan Jane Madison janailan kwajalen ano tage raini na majani to trans number ro jene ay wijen parwajaga elang dalalo ko merga ligijen jabagain yung ngada ni bat kaman trans number chilo ano tage yamajan MJ chigro to kilo majalin akilo ilang kinaram rik tari lo kwajalen ni lo tarin yamay checha kama kanan karwani ni to kum kachoyo ilo awain chicho menicen kiyo chojum le to chiragamaro yen no to chicho pa chigaro to kilo tarin aga malalo dengan tarin di kanan kurdo koyo chojum ko wa to pen bi sabene bi awain nganam to kanya malalo geni kichen trainem matar chagaram matar no war no to MJ chigaro to kilo ainin kinam rik tari lo pajalen kamane quarantine wire moda jana ini chabala to ngan mejeroin ngan romera chabala to kala mejeroin emejan chicha to ruawa pachuanalen ngan kum kachoyo lo tlaga na linkin yon kirto siri mejero emejan wot chawane na man pada echiblo no woden me koban magado ta yenin chij maragon tabardok studio in ila wine kene emman chawan wot tem yabayan ichiru do tilawan yanmai yon kata sila mejerom tiba rajangam kakay memenyangan olive romeri niyang rangan ilongan yanmai pakuman chojo kaja barokay weekend menin chala kay koche kaya kuyen kakay rirangan iyo me koche barakalate no kay weekend echap chuan ranin charbal ngan rome recep charbal aga rome re charbal akoy kita maka konecha tabarakalak chiganam charbal chilungul aga chuan ama moda jana wain chino charbal awam chuan minute mga jen chongo jen chuan awa akachima ruawa naik pelen chuan man ruala jen kiyo yene wadam jenirale alang ne bajak tabuti chief secretary chinay lagan kwajale ninam chinay walang dak manar ruaja kay aini gen ima tabana yung ruaja kay nalalagay me ebe wajak nganan yatongan kajo chupon rainin ruawa pachonalan lewat yawain rela bem karwani ne to komolem ngan ne John Life ibo jangan kaman ilo at time bayangan to the chief secretary channel gan ko jalen layangan ko le rojali yon kilianan